All right, guys, time to recap everything we learned for Ethereum. Here are the key takeaways. We started by talking about Vitalik Buterin, the polymath visionary whiz kid who came up with the idea of Ethereum at the age of 19 in 2013. Vitalik and the talented team around him built Ethereum following most of the foundational principles and technologies used in Bitcoin: blockchain, cryptography, proof-of-work consensus algorithm, peer-to-peer network, and software codebase. However, there is one key difference that makes Ethereum a second-generation blockchain as opposed to first-generation, which Bitcoin is. The key differentiating factor is Ethereum's Turing completeness. The Ethereum virtual machine and Solidity programming language enable a complete set of smart contracts that can be programmed to do pretty much any computer task or function. This powerful innovation unlocked unprecedented opportunities to create an entire universe of decentralized applications running on the blockchain. We can compare the game-changing impact of Ethereum's innovation to the way the Java virtual machine opened up enormous opportunities for development of web applications and cloud computing. We presented an overview of some potential use cases for decentralized applications and examples of some actual projects developing such applications. Besides developing and running these projects on the blockchain, they can also be funded through crowdfunding campaigns on the blockchain. Decentralized applications are still at a very early experimental stage, so many further steps are necessary before we see mass adoption. We also touched upon the even more ambitious and futuristic concept of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. They represent the vision of automating the management of an organization with smart contracts, which could potentially run day-to-day operations completely autonomously without the need of any human management. Shareholders would just provide initial capital to fund a DAO and a high-level mission statement like maximize profits in lawful, fair, and ethical way, possibly adding some more business principles, and the rest would be delegated to smart contracts. If in the future we have algorithms with artificial intelligence involved in such DAOs, it can get even more interesting. So far in this course, we have presented the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain protocols and various decentralized applications that run on them. In the next section, we'll discuss some industry-specific applications which have their own blockchains. Stay tuned as we keep exploring deeper and deeper the world of blockchain.